Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video the thumbs up. So they sent me an enclosure. This is from ORICO. It is an 80GB per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Yes, you heard that correct. 80GB. Now I don't think I've got anything that can run at 80GB per second, so I won't be able to test it to its full potential. I don't think I have anyway. It has a Thunderbolt connection, so you might need a Thunderbolt connection to get the maximum speed out of this. It has Thunderbolt 543, USB 4. Now I think my highest I have is a USB 3, I think. I don't think I've got a USB 4. So I definitely can't run it at the maximum speed. I'm going to give you some key features, apart from the fact that it's at 80GB per second and it's external, or you can take it anywhere. So NVMe 2280 SSD fanless cooling design for MacBook Pro M4 and Windows high-speed external storage case. Yeah, external, so you can take it anywhere. Let me give you an idea. So you put this, now this is a 2GB one. Yeah, it's an NVMe 2GB, and you can put that in that and then take it anywhere. Take it to your mate's house, take it to work, plug it into your laptop or whatever you're going to be using, and away you go. And then you can take it back home again. This is what this is designed for. Like I said, I don't have anything, as far as I know, that can run at 80GB, or not yet anyway. It says here, read speed up to 6,000. Yes, that's humongous. So it should be really fast. And we're going to do the unboxing, see exactly how it all works. I'm going to install this M.2. Now I'm not sure is this is my bad M.2 or my good M.2. We will find out in this video as well. Let's get on with it, shall we? So we have instructions. We have a thermal pad, which I will be using at some point. A little screw for screwing it all down. The actual unit itself, and it's made of metal, which is very nice. Nice little touch there. That fit good. And we have USB Type C connection, which is probably a Thunderbolt connection. Let's have a quick look, see if it's got markings on it. It's got that on it. 80, there you go. So you will need something like this. You don't use ordinary USB Type C connections, or you can do, but you won't get the performance that this should give you. Right, let's get one done. Right, it's a little screw there, and it comes with a little screwdriver. Very nice. It's a Phillips, by the way, if anyone wants to know, or posi screw, whatever you want to call it. I'll do that. Will that just fall out? Nope. And voila. Now if you notice, there's only one connection, so it only takes one type, which is this, hopefully. So let's slot there. Feels really cold actually, to touch. So that go in there, that would go down there, and then you'll get this little screw out here. This is so easy, isn't it? Undo that. Hold that down. These can be a little bit on the fiddly, so oh, it did come off that screw. I thought it stayed on there, but it didn't. So this is magnetic, looking at that, which is handy, because you won't keep dropping the screw. And put that in there. Oops, there you go. Always find these a little bit awkward. And we're in. Don't need to do it too tight, just enough to hold it, of course. Thermal pad, that will go on there, something like that. And that's it. Put this back on, make sure we get it round the right way, which is that way. screw it back down. It's got nice little rubber feet on it, by the way. And that is it. So we have a USB Type-C connection with a little indicator to show whether it's working or not. And then all you need to do is plug this in and then plug that in to the PC or whatever device you're using. Maybe a laptop or PC. Let's give it a little test, shall we? Right, so I had done a speed, right, as you can see, right, so I thought I'd better show you a little indicator because there's bound to be someone out there that, well, we didn't see the indicator. So there's a little tiny light, it just flashes to say it's being used and it's working. And also done a speed test. I had done an upload. And I've done a download and it performed brilliantly, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments whether you disagree or not. Yes, the uploads were very good and the downloads were even better. And that all depends on your hard drive really, about how fast it can read write, obviously. Well, hopefully it's obviously, and obviously your connection as well. So make sure you use either their cable that comes with it or you got an equally fast cable. I would recommend a Thunderbolt USB Type-C connection, in my opinion. Otherwise it's not going to work and you're not going to get the best performance, unlike what you see on mine. I thought it was really good. I was impressed with it. The other thing I did notice, it does get warm, which is what you would expect, because the hard drive, in this case an M.2 one, is running or reading and writing really fast, and they do get quite hot, but this only got lukewarm. I just thought I'd better point that out. Doesn't seem to be any air vents unless it's in there, so I don't think it is. Yeah, it's easy to use, it was easy to set up, and well, it just worked, doesn't it? So if you're thinking about buying one of these, link in the video description, and you want to go and see your mates and take all your hardware with you, or your software I should say. Well, it is hardware, isn't it? Take hardware, but you have your software installed on here. And this will work with an up to 8TB M.2. 8TB. I don't even know if they've got any out yet, but they say it will work, and I have no reason to doubt them. So with that, yeah, it gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up or not. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give it the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Link in the video description.